All right, today we have a garage light, but this is going to be for my actual workstation where I actually have a lot of work. I 3D print, I do a lot of sculptures, I do other stuff, paintings. This is going to light up the entire area here. It expands, and if you don't want it to expand too much, you can actually manipulate the actual hands however you want. You can even lift them up if you want to lift to the lighting on the outside, and it connects through a light bulb, right? So just to make sure that it is a light bulb connection, the LED fixture. It expands pretty wide, and in fact I got a measuring tape here so you guys can see how wide it goes, the angle. It's about 20 inches. All right, 20 by 20. This is awesome lighting. I like that you can manipulate every single angle of your light. So we're gonna light up this place. Let's take a look at the light itself. It's lighting up my entire workshop here. So it is really bright. I put it on my tent here and gives me plenty of light around here. So I like it. It's flexible. You can move it however you want. Very simple, easy to install.